What's up, my Ponios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys this really awesome case from the folks at Poetic. This is the Mag Pro Magsafe neon case for the iPhone 15. There's a great way to give yourself shock-proof and military drop-grade protection, as well as being able to utilize the Magsafe products here that you've invested in over time. With that said, here the folks at Poetic sent this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Check down below in the description for the product pricing and availability. This is a great one here to pick up during the holiday season. Unboxing is super straightforward here. As you can see, it's made out of materials that can be definitely recycled, so make sure and be cognizant of that. Otherwise, you've got this really cool, robust two-piece, silicone and TPU material, as well as this really cool Magsafe ring and kickstand case to be able to hold up your phone, to be able to charge here on the go, and be able to utilize Magsafe, which is really, really cool. It's really simple to set up and put together here, but it provides you military and shock grade protection in the event of a mishap. And it looks really sleek here with the two-tone, the black and the highlight of the orange. I like that. Coming up close here, as you can see, it's got the silicone piece that acts as insulation. You got these little grooves on the inside here to be able to protect, and then it kind of peels off here to show the Magsafe and the polycarbonate material here on the back side. I really like that clean look here. It melds together when you put the phone inside of the case. Let's put it in there, and both of them together give you a nice ergonomic, shock-proof, and military drop-grade protection. I like that. They've got a little bump here for the switch. You've got your volume rocker, power button, cutouts here for your speaker and charging, and then you've got the bump there for the camera bump, which is really nice. I love this Magsafe and kickstand case that they make. It looks sleek in the hand, and it's going to be nice and robust. Going ahead here and setting it up for the first time, you can see that you can have TikTok if you want. You can scroll on your desk, or if you wanted to have something a little more desk friendly here, you can go ahead and opt into having it go vertical as well. Last piece that I want to show you is the Magsafe capability. You can throw on a charging bank like this from the folks at Anker. This is 5,000 milliamp. It charges 5 watts, which is nice. It's nice and robust. Gives you a little bit more thickness here, but it's not going to go anywhere here as you shake it. Not going to be a problem. You can still utilize something like this travel 3-in-1 here from the folks at Murpiso, or you can have it as like a desk buddy. It just slaps on there, charges. You can put your Apple Watch, or you can put your AirPods. You can even set it up as a desk buddy, similar to the kickstand case while you're charging, if that's something you're interested in. Otherwise, I've got this content creation piece. This is from the folks at ShiftCam. This is a nice way here to be able to shoot content, to charge on the go here, and actually use it as a shutter for your content creation. I hit the button to charge here. As you can see, it's going to charge 5 watts. It's got 5,000 milliamp battery. You've got your shutter button here. If you wanted to shoot content here, you've got a nice selfie light here. And then you got this tripod mount with, the option to put a tripod on the backside. I really like this. With that said, I think the only drawback here is how thick this case does make it. It's about 1/4 of an inch, so it's going to be hard to grip all the way around if you're cognizant of that. But what's nice here is having the protection of the military drop grade, the ergonomics and the utilization, and the ability to have a nice kickstand case to hold up when you need it. With that said, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. The Neon Mag Pro case here, links will be down below for the product pricing and availability. Check that out here, guys, as it does help with the channel. Andy with Tech Influence. This is a good one. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.